Hello everyone, Sam is here from my forexmagicwave.com, making this a small video about the yen index and yen pairs and what am I doing with them. So this is the chart, yen index chart, 20-minute chart I made on the June 24. I showed this chart and few trades, which I took a couple of days ago, and I made a video about that, right? On day before yesterday, right? Today is actually it just ended in July 9th starting. It's 1 a.m. in the morning. So yeah, almost like a day before I made the video and showed you the same chart. That this is the yen index 20-minute chart showing the direction after reaching here. I said, well, it's gonna make a turn from here and then go there. Okay. And then what happened to this chart so far, I recorded yesterday. Well, you can see that it came all the way here. Came down a little bit and then went up and then start to come down. And this is where it is getting stopped. The current is this. The current chart, as you can see, this is a current running chart. So I'm kind of trying to make a reversal candle here, right? So it may reverse from here or may not. Today is going to be Friday morning, and Friday is always shaky. So maybe we will just stay here, or it may drop or may go up. But now I'm not interested anymore because when Friday comes, things get a little shaky, right? So this is where it might stop and then go up, right? A, B, C. It's pretty much done here. Around 78%. You see that? Exactly 78% the flip from here to here. So it may go to the upside. Yes, it could be this wave 3 and then ABC wave 4. Remember I said in my last webinar, right? And it can go up for wave 5. So let's see if it drops more at 5, but it's probably going to happen in next week. But what did I do with this chart? With the help of this chart, what this chart is good for, right? That is the key. Now, yen index is when the index is dropping, yen gets strong. Okay, yen gets strong, and all yen pairs would be going down. When yen is going up, like this blue candle is going to the upside, all yen pairs will be going up. All, so I think it's like there are 7 or 8 pairs, right? Including pound yen, euro yen, Aussie yen, CAD yen, New Zealand franc yen, USD yen. That's a lot of them. Almost every currency yen has a pair. So all of them, they start to go up or down when this index goes up or down. And the beauty of this is that when this thing happens, you can watch all of those yen trades. If this index is on the move, you get multiple trades in yen pairs. So let me show you how. What am I talking about? Multiple pairs, right? So let me see if I can. This is a live share. Okay, so let me go back to the picture. This is what it is, right? So now you know that this was the chart I made, and my target is all the way here, but we came very close to this, and now we are kind of right here, and we are kind of stopped, right? Let's see. Again, we go and see this is where we are now, and now and that chart was made on the 24th June. So let's see if I took any trade after 24th June, right? So this is today, the final chart. So after the 24th June, when it started to drop, the first opportunity I got is that it was bullish here, and then all of a sudden it dropped here as I was expecting a down move, and I was watching all those charts. So I took this one for 50 pip, right? And then this is on the 24th. And the game start from 24th. All yen pairs and yen trades I'm going to show you. That on the next day, 25th, again. So this was from there, and then again, another entry from 20-minute chart, sell entry here. You will see my entry here, and my SL move to break even. So here, there's another one on for 55 pip, pound yen, dropping, right? Another one on the 28th, because 25th was Friday, then 26, 27 was Saturday, Sunday, and then here comes Monday, GJ again. So this one you just saw, it wobbled here, right? I made this entry here, but it went down. I came, I said break even, and it goes up and then take me out. So there's no use to make a chart and show everyone that this is where I got in and then my SL hit. It's like no hard feeling at all. Nothing happened here. I opened a trade. I got out without any loss, right? So that's it. And then another entry here, and boom, gone on the 20 yen, on 80, for 80 pip, right? And then USD yen, you see that it went up actually on the 1st July, right? The reason for this pair is that I took it because that the news came out or something, and USD all of a sudden got very strong for a little while, and then and I was expecting that USD is gonna get strong, so no big deal. Let me show you quickly that what I'm talking about on the July 1st, what happened to USD, and because of that, this USD yen went up. Yeah, USD got more stronger than yen, and obviously then it took it to the upside. See, this is where, let me see, open right here. You see this in the bottom here, July 1st, and the USD started getting strong, and it went up. My chart was that it's gonna go up from here. You see that? Right. So this is July 2nd, basically. So we were talking about here somewhere, right? So it was going up, then retrace again, and I made the chart that we're gonna go up from here to here, and so far we are here, right? So USD got stronger than yen, and because of that, yen index went. Oh, sorry, USD yen went up, but later on it started to come down again. Okay, so let me show it to you at that too. So this is the buy order here, and then went up for 85 pip. Every day dynamic changes, and then we have to adopt those changes immediately. If not, you lose the trade, or you miss the trade. But okay, so on the first, that happened, right? And then second and third was like I think the first or second, yeah, I think the second was Friday, and then third and fourth was Saturday and Sunday, and here comes Monday. Right, so Monday nothing happened, and on the 6th of July, you can see here euro yen, 20-minute to the down, right, and then on the 6th, pound yen as well, right. It's a beautiful entry by the book, and for 85 pip. You will see, except only USD yen went up because of USD strength. All of these are, all these trades I'm showing you because of the yen index, and they all went down. Here on the 7th, you can see again pound yen, nice drop here, right, for 80 pip. And on the 7th, again euro yen. First was here, remember that I just showed you, and then retrace a little bit, again sell order here on this high, and again 100 pip. Right, and I think that's on the 8th again. See the USD yen. This was the up one that I just showed you. Start to come down again. Beautiful entry here on this high here, and it dropped for 75 pip. Yellow was below the black by the book entry, and on it, this went down. So these are like almost like 8-9 trades. All of these USD yen, involving yen pair, just because of one index chart. This is, I changed that. Okay, so let me go back and then show you again. So this is the beauty of this, that if you can find the direction, like I have this direction, like USD, I made the chart that USD is gonna get strong, so it is getting strong, but everything wobble, right, up and down and up and down, but all in all it's going up, right. So this was the chart, this was the culprit basically. 24th June I made it, and so far still, we came down here, we are here now, and because of that little move, I had so many trades in yen pairs, pound yen, euro yen, USD yen, right. You just saw. So that's how we use the index charts, USD index, and then sometimes you have a news, like for example Aussie, right. So Aussie news came out that Aussie has a lockdown there, and the Aussie dollar is getting beat up, and Aussie went down, right. So what happened? Aussie started getting weaker, and pound Aussie, euro Aussie went up. So that's and Aussie pair, mostly those are the two that I trade, and they went up big time, right. So this is how to use the index, because the benefit of that is that you get multiple trade opportunities. if you follow the index. If you follow just one pair, let's say pound yen, then all you know is about pound yen, what pound yen is going to do, right? And if pound yen goes against you, then you have nothing in hand. Me, what I do is that, if I have pound yen, like pound yen, euro yen, Aussie yen, USD yen, all, but if one goes against me, that's fine because of the other currency, right? Just like USD yen went up because of USD strength. USD got more stronger than yen, and the pair went up, but then start to come down again, and I got 75 pip to the downside again. So that's how it is. So this is it for now. Just want to share with you guys, and like I said, if you want to be a part of it, if you're not already, right, then and if you want to be, then go on my website and subscribe there and be, start trading like this. So thanks for watching and have a wonderful Friday.